Welcome to linuxhelp.com. For today's topic, I will show you how to install and configure Navigate CMS on CentOS 8.1. Navigate CMS is a free and open source, powerful content management system. It is written in PHP and uses Mysql database. Navigate CMS is allowed to create and change website content very easily, anytime and anywhere. So now let's proceed with the installation process. First of all, I will check install version of OS on my system. It's 8.1 version. Now configure the Mysql database. Log into Mysql as a root user. Enter your password. Now create a database here. Navigate. Now create user. After all, grant all privileges to navigate database. @ localhost. Now plus privileges. Make exit. Once the database configuration has done, download the Navigate CMS installation package using the wget command. It's downloading. Once the download is complete, extract the download package using the unzip command. It's in the process. It's completed. Now extract the navigate file using unzip command. -d navigate. Now move into navigate directory. Here we'll see all the package: navigate.sql, package.zip, and scepter.php. Now extract the package.zip file using the unzip command. It's extracted. Now move navigate CMS directory to Apache root directory. Now set ownership and permission for navigate CMS by using the chown command. Now change permission using chmod. Now after that, configure the virtual host for accessing the Navigate CMS. Here you have to create a virtual host. Go to insert mode. Document root. Document root. Allow override all. Allow from all. Now write and quit. Now restart the Apache service to update the changes. Now after all have done, move to your browser and enter your domain name there. Enter your domain name. This is the Navigate CMS requirement page. These are all the requirements which have been found. Now move to second step, decompression. Now go to configuration step. Here I have to provide all the credentials. Provide your email, password. Username is already defined as admin. Now go to a database. Provide username for the database, which have been defined in Mysql. Now provide database name. Proceed to step 4, database import. This will check database. The database import process is on processing. It's completed. Now proceed to security and information. Or to navigate CMS. Provide your user and password. This is the dashboard for the Navigate CMS, and this is the method how to install Navigate CMS on CentOS 8.1. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com. And if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.